Would you believe me if I told you that there are companies willing to pay you hundreds of dollars for your time? And all they want you to do is make some short videos for them. And it's not what you think, so just hold on so that I can break it down and explain to you how you could be getting paid hundreds of dollars for just a few seconds of your time. What's up, moneymakers? If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel, and on this channel, we talk about all things money. So let's kick off the new year's with finding some new ways to make money. So let me tell you how you can start making short videos and earning money from your phone, and it is not what you think. In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down everything that you need to know. Matter of fact, because it'll be so much information, this will likely be a two-part video. So if you want the second part of this video, let me know in the comment section below and I will deliver it to you all. But let's start here. So what I'll be talking about is user-generated content, also known as UGC. I'll be going through the app to get you started. That's going to help you kickstart your UGC side hustle right away. So first of all, let me show you the app that I'm talking about. It's called Billo, and I'm going to break down how you sign up, what the requirements are, and how you start making money from it. So let's jump into it. Okay, I'm going to take you through everything that you need to know about Billo. So first of all, what is Billo? Billo connects clients with creators. So these are clients or people that are looking to have video advertisements and organic feedback for their social media pages or for their advertisement purposes, right? So you'll be creating short 15 to 30-second videos like this. You will receive a free product from the brand, from the company, in order to make the videos. You do not have to pay for them yourselves. I know that that's a big question for people. So when you go over to the website, you can go ahead and click on Become a Creator. So you're going to create short videos for brands that you love. You'll get free products and you'll get paid as well. So here's the few simple steps that you'll have to take. First, you need to download the app. Then you need to pitch your talent, pick a task, and then get paid. And yes, I'm going to go through each and every one of those steps in grave detail. So don't worry, just stick with me. There's two types of creators that they're looking for, beginners and pro. So it's okay if you are a beginner. This means that they are just looking for you to have a smartphone, to have regular lighting, and to have basic editing skills to understand how to create short form videos. Now for pro creators, you get paid a lot more. You get paid twice as much, but you need to have the proper equipment, and we'll go over what the proper equipment looks like. So to become a creator, you need to be a U.S. citizen and you need to be at least 18 years old. You get paid twice a month through PayPal, okay? And yes, you have a full liberty to choose the brands that you want to work with. So if you don't agree with certain products, you don't have to work with those brands. Now, do you need to post them on your social media? No. They do not need your social media whatsoever for you to get paid. Now, all you need to get started is a smartphone, and I would suggest investing into a microphone, maybe something from Amazon for about $10 to $15. Now, as a pro creator, you will have to have the backdrops, the lighting, things of that nature, but you also get paid much more because you have more experience. So now let's go over to downloading the app and I'll show you what the sign up process looks like. So first of all, you're getting paid about $30 to $50 per minute, basically. And most of these videos will only be 30 seconds long. So this is a great side hustle to make some quick cash with minimum effort. And you receive the product, so you're going to go ahead, shoot your 30-second video, pitch yourself to the brand. And once you are approved by the brand, then you can go ahead and get paid. And they do pay bi-weekly, which means you'll be getting paid twice a month. I know I said that before, but I just want to make that clear. So now let's go over the sign up process. They give you a video talking about pretty much what the pitching phase is going to look like and all of the requirements needed to get started. The pitch video should be about you and should highlight your skills behind the camera because we want you to get accepted for the task right away. Now you will have to upload your creator video pitch. It has to be 30 seconds long and you will need to shoot the video vertically. Also, now here's the scenario. You're going to shoot the intro about yourself up to 10 seconds long. Then you're going to do a B-roll just showing a particular product that you like. And this could be any product that's in your house. It's just simply doing an audition. And I'll show you what other people have done so that you can see. Here are some videos that were approved. Unfortunately, I thought I recorded the audio, but I didn't. But basically, all they're saying is, hey, I'm Cheyenne from Wyoming, and I love to hike. I love to do yoga. I love to do this, and I love to do that. By the way, these are my favorite products. That's all that they're saying here. And as you can see, it's the lighting quality that these people who got approved is not really that great. So this is what the beginner stages would look like. They're not expecting you to be a pro if you are signing up as a beginner. And this guy is doing simply a talking head video where he's just where he's just pitching himself, talking about his skills, what he likes to do, etc. That is all that's really required of you. It's pretty simple. Once you upload it and send in your video, they will either send you an email telling you that you were approved or denied, and it might look something like this. If you were denied, you have up to 3 times to be denied. And here are some of the things that they would say was wrong. Low lighting, audio quality being wrong. They'll tell you what is right, and they'll also tell you what you need to improve on. You should get an email from them telling you whether or not you have been approved or denied and with the tips that you need to do to fix it so that you can be approved within 24 to 72 hours. Billo is not the only way to make money with UGC. It is a good way for you to get started because they're going to help you connect with brands already on the platform. But the problem with that comes with competition, and it also comes with the fact that you're going to get a lower pay from it. So if you all want to know how you can make a lot more money with UGC, then please let me know in the comments. I need you to comment part 2, and I also need you all to like this video. And if you like this video and comment part 2, then I will drop part 2 so I can show you how to make hundreds, even thousands of dollars consistently in your UGC side hustle. In the meantime, if you're looking to make some money in your sleep, I have the perfect solution for you. There was such a high demand with people wanting to talk to me about their business ideas or wanting to know exactly how to get started. If you all go into my description right now, you will find a link to my business training program, which is extremely affordable. Okay? I show you 8 different ways to build a passive income empire where you can start making a sustainable income in your sleep. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure that you check the description box below. I already have 400 students that are loving this training program, and I would love for you to join me as well. And like I said, it is affordable, and I give you a 50% off discount. So make sure you check that in the description. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video.